Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making creamy garlic chicken with spinach and mushrooms. Let's begin. We have here 4 chicken breasts, 1 pint of grape tomatoes, some organic baby spinach, 1.5 cup of Parmesan shredded cheese, some heavy whipping cream, half of a white onion all diced up, some baby bella mushrooms, and it's around 8 ounces. And it's all sliced up as well. We also have here some butter. We have a half stick of butter and 4 tablespoons of butter too. For the seasoning, we have some minced garlic, onion powder, garlic salt, oregano, basil, and some crushed red pepper. And also some black pepper. Okay, let's start seasoning the chicken. First thing what we're going to add is some garlic salt. You can be generous with it. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Next, we're going to add some onion powder. Flip it over, do the same thing. Then next we're going to add some oregano. Turn it over, do the same thing, add the oregano. And we're going to add some basil. Turn it over. And lastly, some black pepper. Flip it over, and if there's extra seasoning, you can grab some of that too. And put the black pepper on it. Okay, let's start cooking up the chicken. Okay, the first thing what we're gonna do is saute the chicken. We're gonna turn on saute and let it heat up first. Okay, it's fully heated up. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just gonna spread it around. Okay, now we're gonna add the chicken. We're gonna sear the chicken. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and now we're going to turn it over. Smells really good. You just want to brown it up just a little bit. Okay, it's been 3 minutes on the other side and we're going to pick it up. You just want to sear it a little bit and get a little brownness to it. There you go. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do is add a little bit more butter. We're going to add additional 2 tablespoons of butter. Spread the butter around a little bit. Okay, it looks looking good. The first thing what we're going to add is half of a white onion all diced up. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir everything up. Try to brown it up a little bit. And then we're going to add the mushrooms. And we're going to try to brown this up a little bit. Okay, it's looking good. We sauteed it for a couple minutes and we're going to cancel. We have here some chicken broth. And we're just gonna pour 1 cup into the Instapot. There you go, we have 1 cup of chicken broth. Gonna pour that in. Then we're gonna deglaze the pot real quick. Make sure nothing is thick. You don't want a burn error from the Instapot. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna add the chicken back in. We're gonna add 1/2 stick of butter, and we're gonna put in some heavy whipping cream. It's around 32 ounces. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 pint of grape tomatoes, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt. There you go. And then just stir everything all up. And then we're gonna put baby spinach on the top. You can put as much baby spinach as you like. Do realize baby spinach will shrink a lot, so more the better, or to your preference. A little bit more won't hurt. Okay, we're gonna close it up. Okay, it's locked. We're going for pressure cook, and we're going for 7 minutes. And we're gonna let it preheat first. Okay, it's preheating, and we'll be back once the timer starts. Okay, the Instapot has fully preheated, and it's on high pressure, and the timer has started for 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. And now we're gonna release the pressure. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down, and now it's safe to open. Looking good. First thing what we're gonna do is push it back on saute mode. Cancel, then saute mode. Okay, we have it on saute mode, and it's heating up. And the first thing what we're gonna add is some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add around 1.5 cups or 6 ounces. And then we're gonna stir everything all together. And as you can see, it's still low running. So what we're gonna do is get some cornstarch mixture ready. Okay, we have here some cornstarch, and we're gonna add 2-3 tablespoons. Mix it in with a 1/4 cup of water. And make sure it's all nice and even before you put it into the Instapot. And we're gonna add just a little bit. This is up to you of how much you want to add, but we're gonna try to thicken up the sauce. Okay, we're gonna add the rest. Okay, we're set, and now we're gonna put it on a plate. Okay, the next thing what we're gonna add is just a little parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today, creamy garlic chicken with mushroom and spinach. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.